Product owners need to listen to the users to understand business use cases and build features to support the user requirement. But sometimes users may provide wrong business requirement unless product owners take due diligence in the requirement gathering process. In this video we will see how users may define a problem wrongly and what can be done to capture the right business problem. In requirement gathering sessions, we often see that experienced users sometimes explain how something needs to be done instead of what business problem to be solved. This generally happens when users are so used to doing things in a particular way for a long period. The user might think that current solution is working for them, and because of that, the same feature should be there in the new product as well. They might not be aware of any other ways to perform the same job function. So how do we understand whether the user is communicating what they need versus how it should be done? Well, it may not be that straightforward. But let us look at an example and understand what we can do to address such issues. Mary is a customer-facing agent in a company that sells electronic parts to make mobile phones. Every day hundreds of customers send their future demand for electronic parts in Excel spreadsheets. She gathers all the spreadsheets and do necessary cleansing to upload the data into the system. As part of a business transformation effort in the company, Lena, the product owner, was asked to revamp the current solution. In the requirement gathering session, Mary communicated to Lena that she needs a better user interface to upload the spreadsheets and the solution should have better error handling. What do you think of the ask by Mary? Did she communicate her business problem correctly, or did she communicate how it should be implemented? What can Lena do here to capture the exact business problem? Let us see what she did. After listening to Mary, Lena summarized the user requirement as follows. As a user, Mary needs an efficient way to upload customer demand that customers send in Excel spreadsheets into the system. So the question to ask here is that whether Mary is particular about a user interface to upload the data, or whether she will be happy as long as a good solution is provided to upload the files into the system. Mostly in this case, Mary is going to say that her objective is to get the data uploaded into the system. If we closely look at this requirement, from the solution standpoint, there could be many efficient ways to support this requirement. Technical team could come up with solutions that can load the data from the files without the need of a user interface. It can potentially eliminate Mary's time-consuming file upload step and can save a lot of her time. So product owners need to pay attention to what users are asking and ask the right questions to focus on what, instead of how.